Well, good afternoon. 365 coming at you. Kind of a different deal there. I've been quiet all year. Just gearing up. I'm ready, but I'm not. It's kind of surreal. Got my second archery Nevada Bull Tag, and had it in 2012 and didn't capitalize. Had opportunities, and full circle. I've waited, and luckily, and bless the big man upstairs and the hunting gods, they gave it to me again. So 2023 elk tag, archery, heading into some wilderness. Gonna spend 6 days. I got my dad and a good friend Jay. Got the old bucks out with me. A lot of knowledge. Maybe not be able to walk and pack as much, but those fuckers have combined experience. Probably got 100 years in hunting, so it never hurts to have that. Anyways, hitting the trailhead. Got about 6 miles. Gonna stay in, keep you updated. Only crazy bastards do this stuff. But anyways, gotta do it. It's once in a lifetime. Anyways, wish me luck. 365. Here we go. We didn't waste any time. Got camp set up, put the eyes to the glass, and turned up a few bulls. Here's just a little bit of video of some bulls that we saw. Nothing crazy, but it was a great thing to see. Here's camp. Good morning. Then just got not up, but we had breakfast and kind of yesterday kicked our ass getting in here. I'm down there with my hammock, and then Jay, and then my dad. It was kind of more of the communal tent.
I hope not. Yeah. If not, I don't want to share.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Afternoon.
How's this packing shit?
Oh yeah, this is just like we want to do. You ever see a guy hunting flip-flops? Yeah. Elk cutting?
Hey, gotta do what you gotta
I'm
do.
bringing the Hawaii vibe.
Saw 4 bulls yesterday. Nothing great, but it's a good sign. Some small bugling a little bit, so hopefully today we can kind of see what we got. Start working out here as the sun gets up. Opening day. Just more of trying to get the lay of the land. Well, it's almost 6 o'clock. Day 1 down. It's been a long day. Biggest bull we saw was maybe a 330 bull with 10 cows. And then saw 3 spikes, 2 raghorns, and then a small 5x5. Just where we are. Wasn't anything that I felt that was worthy of trying to take in some of this backcountry. So, not trying to be too greedy. It's just there's only 3 of us, and I got 2 of my dad and a friend of mine, Jay, 65 plus. So they're here to help me, but I also got to think of them. It's kind of hard, but I think I can find some more elk that are closer to the side-by-side, not 6 miles. Anyways, that's about it. Looking at the country here. I'll give you an update. They're vocal in the mornings. They're talking. There's just not a lot of rut activity. I understand today is the 25th of August. We're about 11,000 feet, 10,000 most of the time. I got rained on last night, got rained on a little bit this morning, so I thought that weather might kick them in, but they're all hard-horned. Just right now, they're just not in the mood, which I understand, so. But keep pushing. Anyways, day 1 in the books. Talk to you later. Well, update. Shit just got real. 26th. Stuck a bull. Haven't found him yet. I haven't looked, but sending the posse down. Here he comes. My dad. So we're gonna go see if we can find this sucker. Nice bull. Stuck him at 30. But you never know how bow hunting is. Give him some time. Well, good morning. Sorry for the dusty dash. Missed a few days. It's been hectic. The 30th of August. Back in Fallon. Actually leaving today, Wednesday the 30th. Got my trailer on. I'm headed back up. So recap, I hit a bull on that Saturday. Tracked him 3.5 miles. Ran out of blood. Never laid down. Crossing logs. Was going uphill, downhill, sideways. Sick to my stomach. I think I hit him too low, maybe in the brisket, the way he was sitting at 30 yards, but his head was down and he pinned me kind of. So I don't know if I hit him kind of low in the brisket. And but had blood, but then it just was really weak. So seemed fine. Buddy of mine, Jay, was with me, and we both agreed that, I mean, there was just nothing left at that 3.5 mile walk or stalk and look and find. We tried doing everything. I felt like I did my due diligence trying to find him, but pretty sad because it was a big bull. They're always big, right? They're always big when you don't kill one, so your story grows. Nah, that's what I always say to people, and now I did it myself. So anyways, licked my wounds, got some farm ground irrigated water. I farm off to the side, so I have some new babies, new alfalfa just planted. So regrouped, came home for a couple days, picking up Jay. He's been with me since day 1. My dad has to stay back, and he's doing some farming. And then a buddy of mine, Derek's coming up in a few days. So we're gonna give her hell one more time or so. So they're starting to talk. Got a full moon though. But I will keep you, much as I can, posted. It's been hard. Take care. Well, archery hunting. We just had a big hailstorm hit. Again, have your stuff ready. You don't think you're gonna use it and you use it. I mean, I'm fully engulfed in rain suits, a suit. Rule of thumb, I always throw like a piece of plastic. So here comes more. Cover my bag. Jay's over there. Wind's picking up. We're a few miles in here. Just seen 2 bulls, but it started raining really hard. Raining hard, so this is what I'm doing. I'm just trying to get under this tree a little bit. Anyways, fun, huh? Everybody wants to hunt. You gotta hunt in not fair weather. Oh crap. I'm signing off. I think this one's gonna get dirty. There it comes. Okay, I haven't been doing very good at this, keeping you all updated. It is the 6th, Wednesday, 10:15. I'm back. Last time I left off with you guys, you'll see before this, I found 6 bulls. Nothing crazy. Just something I wasn't really willing to try for yet. But went home, regrouped. Jay had to go home. He's got a couple rentals he's got to get cleaned up or something. So he rode with me. So I took him back. Got a day of work in. Got caught up. And then regrouped. Got my stuff together. And then got here last night around midnight. Yeah, it wasn't the brightest idea I had. However, I did get a morning hunt in. Nothing crazy again, other than I did find 30 cows with a small bull. He was pushing really low. And then I did find 2 bulls that were real high, but they look good. Just it's so hard to judge. But my dad's coming today, bringing the horses and the mules. So I think we're gonna try Mariah again. So wish me luck. It's kind of getting crunch time. I've been at it, I don't know, it's probably like 8th day. I went like 4 or 5 days and then 4 or 5 days. Anyways, keep you posted. Gonna make a call quick. You have to go to that one spot, you know, and hold your phone up. Anyways, talk to you later. Come on, move out of that tree, fucker. Well, pretty blessed. Not trying to get sentimental, but we did another about 2.5 mile hike today. There's the old man. He still got it. 66. He's coming down. There. Went up, over the top, all the way up and over. So, pretty cool to experience that stuff, you know? Sometimes I think we all take things for granted, especially with our dads. But pretty nice. Slowly but surely.
So it was pretty hot the next couple of days, so I decided to go sit some water, check out some of these bulls that came in within 35 yards. That was exciting, but you know what happens. Weather.
We're doing some bonding.
Yeah.
Well, this is part one. I'll see you at part two. It gets exciting. Here we go.